Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Nasir Rahman, your MATech master. Welcome to another lesson on calculation and algebra. Workbook page number 25, question number 2 will be covered in today's lesson. So without wasting our time, let's start our lesson and move to the question number 2. In this question, we have to compare actually the two expressions and we have to solve both expressions side by side in order to get our answer. So without wasting the time, let's write the first one. It is 7 plus 11 square minus 60, and it tells me that 15 plus 4 into 12. So if I solve the left hand side, the first equation, we need to solve the indices first. So 7 plus 11 in square is equals to 121 minus 60. So we can get the answer 128 minus 60, it will be 68. And if we solve the right hand side, it will be 15 plus, we know we need to solve the bracket first, and we have learned this in the previous lesson. So 12 fours are 48, and when we add both of numbers we get 63. So we can easily compare the 68 is greater than 63. So we can say 68 is greater than 63. So we just have to add the sign over here. For the question number 2, we can solve the question by writing 38 as it is, and when we will solve 72 divided by 12, it will be 6. So 38 minus 6 will be equals to 32. Same is the case when there is one subtraction and one multiplication. We will solve the multiplication first. We will write the rest of the number, that is it, for 8 7 times 56. So when we subtract them, we get 34. So we can easily compare that 34 is greater than 32. In the next part, we can solve the bracket. It will be 25 divided by 5. So it will answer we can get is 5. But on the right hand side, if we write 50 as it is and 15 3 times, it will be 45. So after solving the question, we can see that we have got 5 on the both sides. So we can say these two expressions are equal. In the next part, there are two brackets, but in between there is one addition. So we have to solve the brackets first. 13 minus 5 is equals to 8 plus 8, 15 times 120. So it is 128 is answer. So on the right hand side, it is 68 plus 4 3 times 12 square. So when we say 12 square, 68 plus 144, it will be 212. So we can see that 212 is greater than 128. So for the next question, we will multiply first or we will solve the indices. Obviously we will solve the indices. So write 7 as it is, but solve the indices first. 6 times 36 divided by 9. Now we have one division and one multiplication. We can use any operation first. Over here it seems that if I divide 36 by 9, it will be 4. So I will multiply 7 and 4, it will be 28. Same is the case if I multiply 21 into 4, it will be 84 divided by 3, which is equals to 28. So these two numbers are equal. As easy as it is. So 56 plus, we will solve the bracket area, it is 2.4. so multiply by 10, it will be 24. So we can get the answer as 80. Same is the case if we multiply it, 240 divided by 4, which will be equals to 60. So 80 is greater than 60. So we will put the greater than sign. In the next question, if it is 372 plus 64 minus 119, we can get the answer 300. We will add 372 plus 64 and then we will subtract 119 from it. So the answer will be 317. On the right hand side, if we add 153 and we multiply 14 by 1 12, we will get 168, and when we will add 153 and 168, we will get 321. So we know that 321 is greater than 317. It is very easy for us to compare such small numbers. In the last part, we need to subtract the number 55 from 808. So we will do that first. It will be 753, and then we will divide the number by 3. It will be 251. On the right hand side, we will write down 228 plus 424, which will be 252. So close one, but 252 is greater than 251. So we will put the sign smaller than for this. So that is all for this question. The question was very easy because we had already learned how to use the order of operations, and there were small expressions we could multiply or solve the expressions mentally. That is why I think the question has become very easier for all of us. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and you have already subscribed the channel, and if you have not, please do subscribe, do comments if you want to learn anything else. I am here for your guidance, beta. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.